My name is Alex. I'm currently technical lead in the Prestatech company. I work in Berlin office. I joined company almost a year ago as a senior software engineer, and as you see, now I am a new position, so it is wide opportunities to grow, and also in our company we have very nice, open-minded and a really international culture, which I really appreciate, and I really think it is a very good place to work with challenging tasks related in FinTech area, and with also nice people to grow together. I fell in love in programming from school, and really from that time and now I think it is really what inspires me is that it is fun to create something which brings not only revenues but also positive things to life of people. So we are doing automation, and we remove bureaucratic stuff from people's life, and I think it is very good challenges. I try to ask open-ended questions to understand how candidates reflected their experience and what depths on different questions of knowledges they have with problems they worked themselves. Questions like what is from your side, ideal process of software development looks like, or are you sure that after deployment clients get software with great quality? It is really to learn and practice hard, and also do it not alone, and find community within you can share knowledges and make more fun of these things. And because really fun, it is the main important thing why we should work in this industry and profession. Outside the work, I'm mentoring developers from different levels with different questions regarding their starting career or some stuck situations, and I think it's really fun, and I hope I help more with this, and it's really makes the difference to people and to the world around.